Hello guys, magandang hapon sa inyo, si Kubosing Busot. By the way, ipapakita ko po yung tinatawag nila na ceramic coating. Ayan po, makintab, salamin po yan. Yan, yun yung kabuuan na sasakyan po. Yan, makintab. Yan yung ceramic coating. Pati yung salamin niya, yung windshield. Yan yung walang kaasya-asid mga viewers. Yan, please don't forget to follow my YouTube. Please see and watch this my ayan po, yan po yung ceramic coating na sinasabi nila. Yan, ayan, makintab po. Yan po yung ceramic coating kahit na maulan. Yan mga viewers, makintab. Yan, ceramic coating yan. Yan po yung gawang professional. Yan yung tinatawag na yung ceramic coating na halos salamin. Yan yung ginagawa nila, yung tinatawag na yan kintab. Talagang kitang kita nyo po yan, pati salamin. Yan, don't forget to follow my YouTube. Yan.